In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Replit account safely and completely. Before we begin, a quick note. Deleting your account is permanent and removes your projects, comments, and associated data. If there's anything you want to keep, take a moment to download your RPLs or export your code first. It's also a good idea to sign out of Replit on any shared devices and make sure you're logged into the correct account you intend to delete. Let's get started. First, log into your Replit account. Make sure you can see the main dashboard. That way you know you're in the right place and connected to the account you want to remove. Next, head to your account settings. In the top right corner of the page, click your profile picture or your account name to open the drop-down menu. From there, select Account. This will take you to the settings area where all account level actions live. If you manage multiple profiles or workspaces, double-check the username shown on this page to ensure you're editing the correct one. Once you're on the account settings page, scroll all the way to the bottom. The option to remove your account isn't at the top, so keep going until you reach the end of the page. Replit places critical actions like deletion down here to prevent accidental clicks. Now look for a button labeled Request Account Deletion or Delete Account. The exact wording may vary slightly, but it will clearly indicate that it's for account deletion. Click that button to begin the process. At this stage, Replit may briefly remind you what will be removed so you can confirm you're ready. A confirmation prompt will appear. Read it carefully because this is the point of no return. When you're sure, click Yes, Delete My Account, or Delete Account again to proceed. You may be asked to follow a few on-screen instructions, such as entering your password, to verify that it's really you making this request. Complete those steps and wait for the confirmation message indicating the deletion request has been submitted or completed. That's it. If you change your mind before confirming, simply close the prompt and nothing will happen. Otherwise, once you confirm and complete the instructions, your account removal will be finalized according to Replit's process. To recap, log in, go to Account from the Profile menu, scroll to the bottom, click the deletion option, and confirm by following the prompt. Take care and remember to back up anything important before you begin.